Is that a hammer toe? The second toe, is that a hammer toe?
Yeah,
Okay, does that get bigger? As
it can.
it does, huh?
It can. It does, but it can. You know, the best thing you can do to help prevent it from getting bigger. How's that feel now here?
Good.
Good. And over here?
Good.
The things that you can do to help prevent it from continuing to get bigger is to wear, you know, the good shoes with good supports and orthotics. And then we also have a little splint, if you want to see it, that just goes over the base of the toe and holds it down.
I would like that because it does affect me when I'm
Okay.
wearing certain shoes. And yeah, I know I'm supposed to have orthotic shoes, but I also have shoes that I wear for dress. And
Yeah. So let me just go grab the splint, and are you thinking one for each foot?
for each foot, both toes hurt. Just those
Okay.
second toes.
Okay, let me go grab a couple. I will be right back. You can keep running.
Okay. Are you doing this for a school project?
No, my grandma actually comes here, so it was just happenstance that I heard of this job and decided it would be interesting, so.
Oh, so they hire you to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's neat. I thought maybe it was a school project that you were
Oh.
doing.
No, I just was running out of videos, so I needed someone to come in because I can't keep taking my receptionist away from the front desk. So, okay, so this is the splint, and what it does is it goes over this toe, and it goes all the way back. It has to go behind that first knuckle there. Then you just snug it down a little bit, and then as you walk, do you see how that's going to hold it down?
Wow.
So I can give you one for each foot, and just know that the elastic on this is kind of stiff. So it may take a little bit of time to get used to it. Usually it's like a week before you can make it all the way through the day with the splint on. And again, it goes down, it has to go past that first knuckle. And then just snug, you don't want it tight because we don't want to cut off your circulation, but that will hold it down.
How do I know how snug to make it?
How it is right now. Not tight, just how I have it right there. So
Wow.
it's not going to stop the hammertoe from getting worse if that's what the hammertoe is going to do. But what this will do is it'll hold it down away from the top of the shoe as you're walking,
That's
so that you
super.
don't have the pain. Okay?
Yeah. I have seen those,
Yeah,
but
And-
I've never used
and they
them.
work really well for various things. But yeah.
That's
Okay.
nice.